Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. A Delhi court Tuesday granted bail to 21-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi. She had been arrested in connection with allegedly being involved in sharing a toolkit on social media related to the farmers' protests. Additional sessions Judge Dharmender Rana granted relief to Disha Ravi on a personal bond of Rs 1 lakh and 2 sureties of like amount. BSF troops recovered 3 improvised explosive devices and some other explosive material during an anti-Naxal operation in Odisha, officials said Tuesday. They said the IEDs weighing 1 kg each, 7 gelatin sticks and over a dozen battery sets apart from some other items were recovered by the personnel of the 9th Battalion of the Border Security Force Monday near the Gopinathaguda Kadalibandha village access in Malkangiri district. The JEE mains conducted by the National Testing Agency in computer-based test mode is being conducted across 331 cities throughout the country from Tuesday to 26th February. In Odisha, the examination is going on at 17 towns. Health Minister Nabakishore Das Monday informed the Assembly that the state government has incurred an expenditure of Rs 389 crore for providing treatment to COVID-19 patients at 32 dedicated COVID hospitals. There will be no physical classes for students of class 1 to 8 for the time being, School and Mass Education Minister Samiranjan Das informed Tuesday, putting all speculations regarding reopening of physical classes for class 1 to 8 students to rest. Minister Das here informed journalists that the decision of allowing for physical classes for the primary school students has been put on hold for the time being. A 59-year-old farmer who had been camping at Padmapur subdivision demanding the state government to reopen the closed paddy procurement centers to sell his unsold produce died of heart attack here in Bargarh district. The deceased farmer has been identified as Balamani Bhoi, 59 years old, a resident of Sambalpur village of Saraikela Panchayat in Padmapur subdivision. Three Congress MLAs Suresh Kumar Rautray, Tara Prasad Bahinipati and Adhiraj Panigrahi cycled Tuesday to the Odisha Legislative Assembly as a mark of protest against the steep rise in fuel prices. The premium variety of petrol is being sold at Rs 100.29 per litre, while price of regular petrol stood at 97.14. Sukuri Jena was arrested from Ichhapur village under Sora police limits in Balasore district for murdering her youngest son. Her eldest son, Jagabandhu Jena, was also arrested for trying to erase evidence. Indian Coast Guard's vessels have reached a boat carrying 90 Rohingya refugees and 3 Bangladesh drifted into India's territorial waters a day back. Humanitarian groups monitoring the plight of the stranded Rohingya group on high sea say the Indian Coast Guards have given them some food and water, but a full rescue operation has not yet happened. Six people were killed when the gelatin sticks they were trying to dispose of exploded accidentally at a stone quarry site in a village here early Tuesday, police said. The incident comes close on the heels of a similar blast at a quarry site in Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's hometown of Shivamogga on 22nd January, which left 6 dead. Ishant Sharma is all set to become the 11th Indian to play 100 or more tests when he takes the field Wednesday against England and Ahmedabad. Only 3 bowlers have played more than a century of tests. They are Kapil Dev, Anil Kumble and Harbhajan Singh. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Odisha Post Live.